What's up, friends? My name is Ron. With me is my pal Gunner. Welcome to our channel. Today we're out and we're going to take you on some new trails in the Woodruff and Arbor, Vitae, Wisconsin area. So to do that, we're going to run you down this trail, which I've shared with you previously. This section of trail runs between the Lake Tomahawk area and County Highway J in Oneida County. I don't know if I mentioned it, but today is May 26th, 2025, Memorial Day. I'm absolutely amazed that there aren't more folks out riding this. So it's new, so I'm sure a lot of people just don't know, but still. So the last time we ran up and down this trail, I think it was like October 31st, or was it in November? Because this trail is open later. Oneida County's trail system stays open until December 1st. I really enjoy this section of trail. So, and I'm looking forward to, it's funny, I have been traveling these trails all my life, by motorcycle, by truck, but it's only been the last 2 years that this section of trail has been open. Not even 2 years, like a year and a half, maybe. And now for the 2025 season, the segment from J to Highway 70 in Vilas County is now open. And then from Highway 70 to Ross Lake Road, where it wanders the St. Germain Arbor Vitae town lines. So this is a fantastic addition. It's going to cut down a lot of asphalt travel if you want to avoid that. Okay, so here's part of the new section of trail. Very nice. So, and for those of you who are looking to ride this trail section, you will find in the description of this video a link to my Google Drive, which has my GPS files saved, and from there you can download them and load them into your track viewer of choice and ogle away there, or load it into your GPS, or if you're running an app on your cell phone that supports GPX files, then you can follow along with me here. So yeah, and this is a segment that has just opened this past season. And I think I already have this tin. I do. This is 805, Oneida County. This is County Highway J here. So we're going to cross. Also worth mentioning, these are open to other motor vehicles. So keep that in mind when you're traveling these trails. I just want to see. Small Lake is the name of this lake. Oh, wow. What a spot. Is there anyone behind me? Let's just back up and take a second, Gunner. Got a few things swimming around. Got a swan, it looks like. Huh. Not sure what little guy you got swimming over there. Do you know? Huh? Do you know? I don't have a clue. All kinds of activity on this little lake. Anybody behind? Oh man, this is great. What is that out there? Is that a rock? A random rock? And now right there, I don't know if you saw the sign, but we are now in Vilas County. So the town of Arbor, Vitae. Amazes me just how thick these trees are. Like I say, as long as I've been driving, I've been running these trails. And yet every time it catches my attention. Okay, now just for the mentioning of it, I do have this tin in here. This is tin 364. see this sign here? Clearly states ATV UTVs are prohibited on state highways. So what we're coming up to here, this is Highway 70. We can't travel on this, so don't take a right, don't take a left. You go straight here. Right, buddy? We go straight here. No turn for you. Tin 364. So, and this is essentially skirting the Arbor, Vitae and Saint Germain town lines. And now this will take us from Highway 70 out to Ross Lake Road. So besides the vehicle traffic and logging trucks to keep an eye on out here, riding in the spring like this, you also need to think about watching out for animal life. So right now, actually, prior to Gunner and I starting our filming, we saw a deer with a fawn in tow. So keep that in mind, that there are little baby animals running around everywhere. And they don't know any better than to stay off the trails and stuff sometimes, and roads and what have you. And then also we are quickly coming up to the turtle egg laying season. So any day now, you may encounter turtles digging holes near the trail side and laying their eggs. Particularly near bodies of water. So, yeah, those are just a couple of the things to keep in mind. So, and this is what it's all about. We just wind our way through the Northern Highland American Legion State Forest. We did some pretty generous rework in here, I will admit that. Okay. So here we are. This is Ross Lake Road. To our left is the town of Arbor Vitae. To our right is St. Germain. So what we're going to do, we're going to run up to St. Germain. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any questions, comments, if you want to know more about the area, if you have an area up here in northern Wisconsin you're curious about and you'd like to see me go travel it, let me know in the comments section. I hope you have happy trails from Gunner and I. We'll see you later.